Na orodha kamili ya wanariadha watakaoshiriki katika awamu ya 7 ya Kipkeino Classic imetangazwa kwa mashindano hayo ya Aprili 24 katika uwanja wa Nyayo. Na mashindano haya yatafanyika hadi usiku, huku teknolojia ya kisasa ya mwanga wa mawimbi ama ukipenda wave light kitumiwa.
Already confirmed to participate. We'll give you the information, but I want to highlight just a few names that you might actually recognize will be there. First of all is our own Fernando Manyala. He's the lead and our ambassador, especially for the spring events. He has done a lot to upgrade sprints in this country. There's so much interest because of Kipkeino Classic and the performance, particularly of Fernando Manyala, that we have seen now from the athletes themselves that yes, they can do it. Before it was about middle and long distance, but now it's about sprints and real events.
Then the under-20 programs will begin at exactly 14:12. 14:12, that will be 800 meters under 20, followed by under 20 men, and then 800 meters under 20 women. We shall also have 3,000 steeplechase under 20 men.
Na wiki moja baada ya mojawapo ya waandalizi wa ndondi nchini